Oh. Hello. So it's Saturday and tomorrow's Sunday and I'm supposed to have a video by now, but I have no idea what to talk about. So I'm gonna show you some doorknobs. Yeah! There was a doorknob and he was gold. Wiggle, 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 yeah! Also, I just felt the need to point out that my light switch is labeled light switch. Here, I'll bring you closer. Zooming in. Okay, this is not working out well. See? Bye! Do we go? Oh, hello there. So this is the point where I show you what's inside this can. Well, that's not a creepy way to start the video. But anyway, I have like this doorknob right here. And I'll just put this down for a minute. And you can be like, wow. And the bottom turns too. And there's also this doorknob. I don't know how this works. Wait a minute. Doorknobs, doorknobs, doorknobs. What do I do with my life? There's also this thingy. With the levers and the pulleys. Legit though. Wee. There's also these thingies involved, but I don't know what for. And then there's this thingy. And my favorite part of all, the screws are loose. So that's all that's in here. And I really hope you enjoyed that video because, you know, I had nothing else to show you. And I didn't want to be weird. But I guess that was weird making this video. Maybe. Anyway, you can go and watch my other videos if you want to. Thumbs up for like a dresser angle because usually you have some like other angle. But, you know, this is really good. And also, if you liked this video and want more videos like this, you can like it and comment on it and like stalk it. I don't know, how do you stalk a video? Do you stalk a video by like keep on watching it and watching it? I don't know what I'm doing at now. So apparently Easter is coming up and pretty sure this is the correct way to wear a hat. I mean basket. I don't even know. It still has the tag on it. What? I forgot to say like this piece of information. And so now I'm going to tell you the information that I forgot to tell you now. So I have a Twitter, apparently. I didn't know it, but I do. So the links are either in the description or they are on the photo for the YouTube thingy, majiggy timeline thing. You get it. Also, post a video of your doorknobs and put the link to the video in the description box. Like, upload it somewhere, and if you don't want it like public, just put it like unlisted, because unlisted means only those who have the link can see it. And so, yeah, I want to see your doorknobs. Wait, what? I did not mean that in the way that you thought that I meant that. But I don't even know what we're doing, and I hope you enjoy those bloopers, because, you know, that's pretty much me in everyday life. And help a fellow out. If you want to self-promo, I'll check out your channel, because I'm creepy and stalkerish like that. No, but okay. And also, I will see you next Sunday. And if you want a specific theme or thing that you want me to do in my videos, you can tell me, and I will do it. Hopefully, probably, maybe. Yeah.